Hi you guys, so today I thought we would work on a page in this little Christmas journal I've been working on, and I just thought, let's just go ahead and record it. So this little journal, I'll just show it to you briefly. It's just a little journal I've been working on. And it's just a little like holiday journal. And right here is where I was thinking I wanted to put something. So I'm going to go ahead and clip it open. And I have these little envelopes that they come in these little packages. I think that multiple packages came together in a big package, but this is what they look like inside. And I was thinking I wanted to add 2 of them to this page. And I think what I really want to do is I'm going to just cut off this gluey part on there, and then I thought I would trim that off with my little trimmer and then just use it like a pocket. Okay, so just so they look like this, I'm going to go ahead and use my little corner rounder. Just like that. I think I will distress around them. I'm just using walnut stain. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and attach them. I thought maybe I would attach them. I'm not sure if I want to do one up and one like with a big space in the middle, or if I want to do them like together kind of low and then put something on the top. I think I might want to do that together kind of lower, put something on the top. I'm going to go ahead and glue them on. Okay, just like that. Oh, cute. Okay, and then next what I want to do is, I thought I would put some tags that I had, just like this. I don't know if that I like these strings particularly, so I'm going to take these off. I was thinking I would put those inside of my little envelopes, just like that. Those are so cute. I do like that. And then I'll put like a little piece of red ribbon possibly on there, or another color. I have this little Christmas box of ribbon. It's not a Christmas box, but it has all my Christmas ribbon in it. These are all just little pieces of extra scraps plus crinkled seam binding. So I'm going to go ahead. I think I'm going to use this darker red right here. Or actually, you know what? I'm going to use a different color because I have that red band around the outside. I think I'll use like, maybe a cream color, actually. Like this. That's good. I don't want to clash with this green right here. So, okay. I'm going to just cut 2 pieces of it. Okay, and then I think that I want to use some different decorations. I have, these are just digitals that I printed. See, like that, I love that. And if you're interested to know who the ephemera is from, just message me down below and I will look up whatever ephemera we end up using today. Oh my gosh. That's adorable. And then this down here. Oh, so cute. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and ink around them real quick. Gosh, so cute. I think I might want to put something behind here. Let's see what I have. Oh, I kind of like that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I like how this is off to the side a little. I definitely think that's adorable. I kind of want to put this little ticket up here too. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, and then let's just decorate our tags a little bit. Oh my gosh, look at that one. That little house is adorable. Or maybe these 3 carolers. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then I was kind of thinking maybe on the back of the tags, I just want to put a little piece of washi across the bottom. I have some washi on here. So then you can just pull it out and then journal on the back, and there'll be a little decoration on the back. I'm going to put the carolers up here. And then on this one, I'm going to go ahead and put some trees across the bottom of this one. So then you can flip this over and journal on the back of that. And it has a little decoration on the back. Oh my gosh, look how it turned out. It's so cute. I love it. That's adorable. And then you have this little tag you can flip the page with. Okay, I love how that turned out. So cute. All right, you guys, I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.